everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to change phone number on Wise using the email. Based on information from Wise official help resources, here's a breakdown on how to initiate a phone number change via an email link. The most reliable way to begin this process is to go to the Wise Help Center. Search for change phone number within the Wise Help pages. Wise provides a method where you can enter a registered email address. This will trigger an email containing a secure link. Open the email account associated with your Wise account. Look for an email from Wise containing the phone number change link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a secure Wise web page. Wise will then guide you through the necessary verification steps. This often includes entering your new phone number, providing a selfie with your identification, receiving an SMS verification code on your new phone number. Follow all the on-screen instructions until the phone number change is confirmed. It's important for you to know that Wise employs these verification measures to protect your account, and to also ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Always rely on the official Wise Help Center for the most accurate and up-to-date procedures. Be prepared to provide a clear selfie with your official identification.